activity today, you are going to have two different things you have to do. For part 1, you are going to circle which unit you would use to measure the capacity of each object. So there are 8 different objects on this page, and you are going to use this red box and you're going to drag it to what you think you would use to measure it. So for this bottle, would you use cups or quarts? So you're going to use the red box and you're going to drag it to actually circle it. So that's what you're going to do for these 8. The top 4 are customary and the bottom 4 are metric. Part 2 is you are going to give me 2 examples and 2 non-examples of capacity. So just like we did in the video, I want you to tell me 2 examples of capacity. So what are 2 things you would use to find the capacity? All right, not tools, but what are 2 examples of capacity? And then what are 2 non-examples? So what are 2 things that are not talking about capacity on this side? If you have any questions, ask your teacher. Make sure you submit everything into Google Classroom, and I'll see you later. Bye.